Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can stop sharing call history between multiple iPhones. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, write your comments, and let's get started. So, if you have, let's say, multiple devices, multiple iPhones, and they are tied to the same Apple ID, then you have call history and everything is synchronized between these iPhones because, as I said, you have one Apple ID that binds them together. But if you want to disable call history sharing, because if you have a call on one phone, it's going to show up on a second one, like your device, it's very easy to do that. Go to your phone settings, then click on your name to go to Apple ID, and then click on iCloud, and then show all. And next, find your contacts and just turn them off. And click Leave on your iPhone. Go to iCloud. And this is where you'll need to turn off the sync feature on this iPhone. And then go back to your phone settings. Scroll down a little bit. Go to Basic. Then you're going to select this function. And the next thing you're going to need to do here is turn off service transfer. After that, I recommend that you restart the phone that you've done all of these things on. After rebooting, you will 100% stop sharing call history between your iPhones. This is the simple way, friends. You will be able to stop sharing call histories. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write comments, put your likes. See you soon.